Okay, today we're going to be retrofitting a lighted sign box, changing the fluorescents to LED tubes, and installing a programmable timer switch. This sign box has an aluminum frame and a glass front. With the door open, you can see the fluorescent tubes have been removed. With the power off, we will go ahead and remove the ballast. Here is the programmable switch we'll be using today. Woo! Here's a back view. So you got your black power coming in, your blue going to your lights, your white is your neutral. Here's the switch wired up. You can see I got my black wire is my power coming into the switch. My blue wire is providing 120 volts up to the top lamp holders. And the white neutral wire on the switch gets wire nutted together with the white neutral wire coming into that box. And then it also gets wire nutted together with the white neutral wire that will attach to the 3 bottom lamp holders. Here's a programmable switch installed and programmed per the manufacturer's instructions. Here's the LED tubes we're going to use today. They're 2 foot long. They're single or double-ended, self-ballasted, meaning that's why you remove the ballast, because they do not require an external ballast. So they're direct wired, and they label the ends of the tubes for you. There is a wiring schematic on the tubes to help you wire them correctly. Here's what it looks like all lit up with the door open.
Wow.
Here's what it looks like with the door closed, lit up. All we have left to do now is attach one of these peel and stick frosted clings to that clear glass so you don't see the tubes through the glass. And then we'll install our peel and stick vinyl decals. I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.